Good morning, students. Today we discuss another example in trigonometrics. Now we will get sin theta minus 3 pi by 2 upon cos theta minus 2 pi plus sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta cosec pi plus theta plus cot pi by 2 plus theta tan 2 pi plus theta. Now we have solutions. Given sin theta minus 3 pi by 2 on cos theta minus 2 pi plus sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta upon cosec pi plus theta plus cot pi by 2 plus theta upon tan 2 pi plus theta. Now first we convert to 3 pi by 2 minus theta and 2 pi minus theta. So here is equal to sin minus common, then here 3 pi by 2 minus theta on cos minus common, here 2 pi minus theta plus sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta on cosec pi plus theta plus cot pi by 2 plus theta upon tan 2 pi plus theta. Now here sin is an odd function, then sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos is even function, then cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Clear? So minus हो तो माइनस लेने आवश्यक साइन, cos में माइनस हसे तो छोड़ीने आवश्यक. तो here is equal to sin माइनस આગળ આવી જશે sin માઇનસ માં 3 pi by 2 minus theta on cos माइनस छोड़ीने आवशे cos 2 pi minus theta plus sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta upon cosec pi plus theta plus cot pi by 2 plus theta and tan 2 pi plus theta. First we x axis, y axis, x and y. Here 0, here pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Now clockwise minus and anti-clockwise plus. So here 3 pi by 2 minus theta, here 3 pi by 2 anti-clockwise, then anti-clockwise plus, and clockwise the minus. So here 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Now here 2 pi minus theta, here 2 pi, then again clockwise 2 pi minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So anti-clockwise 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, clockwise 3 pi by 2 minus theta, pi plus theta, here pi, then anti-clockwise pi plus theta. So here pi plus theta. Now pi by 2 plus theta. So here pi by 2, clockwise minus, clockwise minus and anti-clockwise plus. So here pi by 2 plus theta and 2 pi plus theta. So here 2 pi 2 pi plus theta anti-clockwise. Clear? This is first quarter, second, third and fourth. First quarter is all are positive. Second quarter, sine and cosec s are positive. All as t मतलब tan and cot are positive. And last c मतलब cos and sec are positive. All other are negative. So here minus sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta in a third quarter. Third quarter sin is a minus because here 3 pi by 2, so function change, sin is a cos theta. So here cos theta. But 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, third quarter sin minus, then here cos minus. On cos 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi is function cos theta, no change. 2 pi minus theta is the fourth quarter cos and sec positive. So here cos positive, so here cos positive plus sec 3 pi by 2 because change function change because change cosec theta 3 pi by 2 plus theta 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Fourth quarter sec plus cos plus all other negative. Here sec plus then cosec plus cosec pi plus theta. So with no change cosec theta function એમ નામ જ રહેશે. pi plus so pi plus theta in the third quarter tan and cot plus all other are negative. So here minus cos theta plus cot pi by 2 with a change tan theta pi by 2 plus second quarter sin and cosec plus all other negative, then cot is negative, so here tan minus tan 2 pi plus theta with a function tan theta with a એમના એમ જ રહેશે 2 pi plus theta in the first quarter is all positive, so tan is plus. Now here minus and minus plus cos theta by cos theta, here plus minus then minus cosec theta upon cosec theta plus minus here minus then tan theta by tan theta. So here cos by cos say 1 minus cosec by cosec, then also 1 minus tan by tan say. So here plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, then answer is minus 1. Clear? An example sin theta minus pi by 2 upon cos theta minus pi plus tan pi by 2 plus theta cot pi plus theta plus cosec pi by 2 plus theta upon sec pi plus theta. Now solution. Here given sin theta minus pi by 2 upon cos theta minus pi plus tan pi by 2 plus theta upon cot pi plus theta plus cosec pi by 2 plus theta upon sec pi plus theta. Now first here we change pi by 2 minus theta and pi minus theta. So is equal to sin minus common, then here pi by 2 minus theta upon cos minus common, so here pi minus theta plus tan જે છે તેમના તેમ જ લખીશું પાઈ બાય 2 પ્લસ થીટા cot પાઈ પ્લસ થીટા પ્લસ cosec પાઈ બાય 2 પ્લસ થીટા अपॉन sec પાઈ પ્લસ થીટા. Now sin is odd function, minus લઈ આવશે એટલે here minus sin pi by 2 minus theta. Cos is even function, minus છોડીને આવે એટલે cos pi minus theta plus tan આલપુરતું એમને આમ જ રાખીએ છીએ આપણે tan pi by 2 plus theta upon cot pi plus theta plus cosec pi by 2 plus theta sec pi plus theta. Now here x axis and y axis 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Now first sin pi by 2 minus theta, so here pi by 2 clockwise minus and anti-clockwise plus, so here pi by 2 minus theta in clockwise, so here pi by 2 minus theta, the first quarter. Pi minus theta, so here pi clockwise minus anti-clockwise plus, so here pi minus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta, so here pi by 2 clockwise minus anti-clockwise plus, so here anti-clockwise pi by 2 plus theta. Cot pi plus theta, here pi clockwise minus anti-clockwise plus, so here pi plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta, so here pi by 2 plus theta. Pi plus theta, so here pi plus theta. Now is the first quarter, second, third quarter and fourth quarter. First quarter is all S, T and C. All is a polar positive, sin S मतलब sin and cosec are positive, T so tan and cot are positive, C cos and sec are positive. Other pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 change the function, sin to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec and cosec to sec. Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Pi and 2 pi is a function, no change, sin to sin, cos to cos, tan to tan, cot to cot, sec to sec and cosec to cosec. Now here minus sin pi by 2 with a function change cos theta, pi by 2 minus theta in first quarter, all are positive, here sin positive, then cos is also positive, so here cos theta. Now cos pi minus theta, cos pi, so with a function cos theta with a m function pi minus, so pi minus in a second quarter sin and cosec are positive, all are negative. Here cos, then cos is negative, so here is also negative, plus tan pi by 2 function change tan નું cot માં જશે pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta is second quarter. Sin and cosec positive. All are negative. So here tan is negative. So here cot is also negative. Cot pi plus theta. Here pi, then with function cot theta with એમના એમ જ રહેશે. Pi plus third quarter, tan and cot positive, all are negative. So here cot is positive, so here positive. Plus cosec pi by 2 with a change cos theta નું sec theta માં pi by 2 plus theta second quarter. Sin and cosec positive, here cosec positive, then sec is positive. Sec pi plus theta, sec pi, then here sec theta. Pi plus in third quarter sec minus, so here pi plus. So is equal to minus and minus plus, so here cos theta by cos theta plus minus minus cot theta by cot theta plus and minus is minus sec theta by sec theta. So is equal to cos by cos is 1 minus cot by cot is 1 minus sec by sec is 1. So here plus 1 and minus 1 cot, then answer is minus 1. Example number 3. Simplify sin pi minus theta multiple cosec 3 pi by 2 minus theta multiple cosec pi by 2 plus theta upon sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta multiple cot pi by 2 plus theta multiple tan 2 pi minus theta. કિંમત શોધવાની છે. સિમ્પ્લિફાય માં આપણે સોલ્યુશન જોઈએ. Now here given sin pi minus theta multiple cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta multiple cosec pi by 2 plus theta on sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta multiple cot pi by 2 plus theta multiple tan 2 pi minus theta. So here first 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Now here first quarter, second, third and fourth. First all are positive, s sin and cosec positive, t all s t and c. t मतलब tan and cot are positive, c cos and sec are positive, all other negative. Now here sin pi minus theta, so here pi clockwise is minus, anti-clockwise is plus. So here pi minus theta 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 here clockwise minus and anti-clockwise plus. So here 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So here 3 pi by 2 minus theta clockwise. Pi by 2 plus theta. So here pi by 2 clockwise minus, anti-clockwise plus. So here pi by 2 plus theta. Now pi by 2 plus theta, 2 pi minus theta. So here 2 pi clockwise, 2 pi minus theta. So here 2 pi minus theta. Clear? So it's equal to sin pi and 2 pi. Do not change function. pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 change the function. So here sin pi minus theta, so sin theta pi minus second quarter sin is positive, so if is sin positive then here positive, multiple cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 with a change cos to sin theta, 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 minus third quarter, tan and cot is positive, all other minus, here cos is minus, then here sin is minus, cosec pi by 2 plus theta, cosec pi by 2 function change sec theta, pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 plus theta, second quarter, sin and cosec positive, here cosec positive, sec is positive, upon sec 3 pi by 2 function change 3 pi by 2 no cosec theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, here sec and cos plus, here sec plus, then cosec plus. Now cot theta, cot function change tan theta, pi by 2 plus theta, second quarter cot minus, then here tan minus, tan 2 pi minus theta, so here 2 pi, then tan theta, and 2 pi minus third quarter tan minus, so here minus, sin theta minus sin theta sec theta, so here sin theta minus sin theta, sec is a 1 by cos theta, on cosec theta, that is 1 by sin theta, minus tan theta is a sin theta on cos theta, so here minus sin theta by cos theta. Clear? Now sin cancel, cos and cos multiple here and here cos, so here minus, so is equal to sin theta, second minus sin theta, 1 minus cos theta and minus cos theta, minus cos theta and minus cos theta, on here sin 1 sin theta and cos theta, so here sin and sin cancel, cos cancel, then here minus and minus, so minus sin multiple cos, sin theta and cos theta. Clear?